work. We're gonna make it work, aren't we?
What are Audrey Adventures? Hi guys, so we're gonna make slime.
Yeah, we're doing the Dollar Tree Slime Challenge.
Slime challenge. Dollar Tree slime challenge. Let's get started.
Alright, so Mommy and Audrey went to Dollar Tree and we got this big bag of all kinds of things. Maybe not too famous. To put our slime in when we're all finished. We have princess ones and we have pirate ones. You want the princess?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, I want those ones.
You want the pirate ones?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. We have
Okay. Alright, so we have some foam beads. We have some glitter. We have,
You think you're gonna make these ones?
if you want me to.
Yeah, I do.
Okay. We have glitter glue. Red, gold, and silver glitter glue. We have Tide for our activator. And we have 3 bottles of glue. We have 2 of these
I'm
ones.
gonna do this one, okay?
Okay. We have 2 of that one and 1 of this one. This is Crayola brand. And then 2 tint.
I think
we
I'm
want-
going to do that.
Yeah, if we want to color our slime, we have
Or
some paint. So I think we got a pretty good amount of stuff for our slime, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so you want to use this?
Yeah.
Let me open it for you.
Look.
Oh, cool. Whose slime do you think is going to turn out better? Mommy's or
Yeah.
Audrey's?
Maybe Audrey's.
Probably. Audrey's usually turns out better than Mommy's. For some reason, hers is always better. Alright, Mommy's turn and start. I'm going to add...
It's really good.
Oops, it's okay. You can... Is there still more in there? You can pour all of it in there.
Oops, I think this See?
That's all? Okay. Oh, there's still a little bit more coming out. Alright. Mommy's going to add hers.
See?
Whoa, mine's really thick glue. I hope this works. We've never used anything besides, well, we've used clear glue, but we haven't used any white glue besides Elmer, so let's see. I'll have to see how it turns out.
Okay, I
Think it's on?
fast.
Just about. Alright. That's good.
Nothing coming now.
Nothing coming out? Okay. Now, what do you want to add to yours? Do you want to add some glitter or
Glitter.
foam beads?
Glitter.
Glitter? Alright.
I
Or you
want,
can add both.
I want green.
You want green? Of course you do. Green is Audrey's favorite color, if you guys didn't know.
Just open it up.
You gonna pour all of it?
Yeah,
Okay. Ready?
put it up in. What's this?
You want to just take the whole thing?
Yeah.
Pull it off? Okay.
Yeah.
See if I can get it. Alright, there you go. Careful. Whoa. That's pretty. Okay.
Let's
well-
mix it.
Yeah, mix it. Okay, Mommy's gonna add some glitter too. I'm gonna add some pink because that's my favorite color.
Yeah. And Sissy does light. And Sissy does light. And Sissy does light
Purple?
purple.
Yeah. Ooh, that's pretty.
I miss yours.
Yeah. Do you want to add any glitter glue or paint to yours?
Paint.
Paint? What color?
Green.
Of course.
Like that.
Yours is gonna look like an emerald.
Like
What do you want to name your slime? What kind of slime is it gonna be?
pirates.
Pirate slime?
Yeah.
Okay, well then mine will be princess slime.
Yeah.
Okay, how much of that do you want to add? Here, use your spoon. Scrape some out. There you go. probably enough. Oops. Good thing this is washable paint.
Yeah.
Okay. Stir that up. Ooh, that's really pretty. Alright, Mommy's gonna add some glitter glue.
Can I do something?
You want to add glitter glue?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna pick this.
Alright, and I'm gonna pick red.
Can you help me open it? Ooh,
we
mine
got
is
all of
really
it?
thick. Mine is really thick.
Ooh, this one's really thick too.
Ah!
Have you guys ever made slime from Dollar Tree? From things you got from the Dollar
I
Tree?
think that's enough. Okay.
Okay, stir that up. I'm gonna add a little bit of red
Can
paint.
I give some paint to yours?
You want to add paint to mine?
Yeah.
Sure. Just use the. There you go. Here we go. That's good. Alright.
That's it. Can I mix it?
Sure.
Okay.
Ooh, that's better. Ooh, that's pretty.
I think that's enough.
Okay. Oh yeah, that's much better. Wow, that's so pretty.
Is yours turning to slime?
No, but it's just really thick.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, do you want to add any beads to yours?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, just a little bit. A little bit goes a long way.
Whoa.
Whoa. Okay. Oh. Uh-oh, we made a mess. That's okay. Right foot. Okay, stir that up.
I couldn't
Okay.
find.
Time to add the activator.
Yeah. There's a little bit.
Okay. Okay, let's just do a little bit at a time. Okay, stir it up and see what it does. So you guys, I was thinking about doing a video of Audrey making her own slime with no help from Mommy. Just giving her items and letting her do whatever she wants. So if you guys think that's a good idea, give us a big thumbs up and let us know in the comments.
I thought it was too.
You guys, I don't know if it's gonna work. We're gonna make it work, aren't we? If we have to add the whole bottle of Tide, we're gonna make it turn into slime.
Yeah, maybe we should.
Wait, let me check yours first. Before, yeah. Hey, yours is starting to slime. It's starting to turn into slime.
Yay! Let me mix yours.
Sure, you mix.
Is it turning into slime? Is it slime?
Not yet. I need more.
I need this
More
one.
activator! I hope we have enough. We only bought one bottle. I didn't think it was gonna take this much. I hope we can make it work. Look, mine's starting to stick together.
I just want to make mine.
I think it's working.
No, I don't think mine is working.
You don't?
No, I think that when
You need more activator?
Yeah,
Okay.
I think I need to use a lot.
Okay. Alright.
Yeah. Can you mix it? Can you mix it?
Sure. Oh my goodness. Uh-oh. I think you added too much.
Uh-uh.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Yeah, Dollar Tree slime fail. Audrey's turned into like water, and mine is just like melted marshmallows. I can't get it to slime, guys. I don't know what to do. We added almost a whole bottle of Tide. I guess I'll add the rest. See what that does. Wow! See what that does. How about you can, since yours turned watery and mine is actually kind of like slime, you can use some of mine to put in your container. I think it's actually working. Mommy finally wins a challenge! Yay!
Yeah.
This kind of glue from Dollar Tree
Yeah.
does not slime. The Crayola one, it took a while, but it worked. It's pretty cool. You want to play with it? You want to hold it?
I don't just say I'm gonna take a little bit of yours.
You want to take some of mine?
Yeah.
Okay, here, you hold this and I'll open up our packages.
Yeah.
Alright, here's some for you.
Thank you.
Welcome. And here's some for Mommy. Uh-oh. Try to give you some more. Give too much. Alright, put your lid on. I'll put my lid on. There's my Princess Kitty slime. Well, Audrey's didn't do too good, but it was still fun.
But Mommy's is favoriting, but I got some of hers.
Yeah, that's okay. We like to share anyway.
Yeah.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
I hope you enjoyed this video.
If you want to see us do another slime challenge,
Our slime challenge.
let us know in the comments.
Let us know in the comments.
Bye!
Bye.
Make sure you check out our other slime videos.